Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Barrier and precipitation problems can be tricky, but we can solve this quickly by looking at solubility rules and KSP values to find the least precipitate. First, we need to identify which solution will fail to form a solid precipitate with barium ions. We're looking for the compound that remains completely dissolved in the aqueous solution. Looking at the options, sodium nitrate contains the nitrate ion. According to general solubility rules, all nitrate salts are highly soluble in water, meaning no solid precipitate will form at all. Since no precipitate forms with sodium nitrate, it produces the least amount of moles. This makes option A the clear winner for our experiment today. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and trust the given solubility rules for nitrates.